Welcome to chapter, Confusion of Tenses. In English, using the correct verb tense is important for clearly expressing time. Many learners make mistakes like, I am going to school yesterday, which mixes present and past. The correct sentence is, I went to school yesterday. Let's learn how to avoid these common tense errors. You must match the verb tense to the time you are talking about. For daily habits, use present simple, I go to school every day. For things that happened in the past, use past simple, I went to school yesterday. For future plans, use will, I will go tomorrow. Don't say, I go to school yesterday, it's incorrect. Here are some examples of common tense confusion. Is reading last night is incorrect, it should be she read the book last night. Has seen yesterday is wrong, the correct form is he saw a movie yesterday. And they will met mixes future with past, we say they will meet us tomorrow. Each tense has its purpose. Use present simple for habits, she walks to school. Use present continuous for now, she is walking. Use past simple for finished actions, she walked yesterday. Use future simple for future plans, she will walk tomorrow. Mixing these tenses leads to confusion, so choose carefully. Let's practice. 1. Yesterday equals went. 2. Now equals is reading. 3. Tomorrow equals will meet. 4. This morning equals 8. 5. Every day equals watch. Well done, now let's review. Let's recap. Always use the correct tense to match the time. Don't mix tenses like saying, I am going yesterday. Stick to one time frame in your sentence, past, present, or future. Clear tenses help others understand you better. Keep practicing. Prepared by K. Rajendra Prasad.